Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to spend time together improving one of the most important skills in English learning, speaking naturally and confidently. Many learners study grammar for years. Many memorize thousands of words. Many watch English videos every day. Yet, when they try to speak, they hesitate. They stop. They search for words. They translate from their native language. As a result, their speech sounds slow and unnatural. The solution is not always more grammar books. The solution is often more speaking practice. One of the most powerful techniques for improving spoken English is shadowing. Shadowing means listening to English and repeating it immediately, trying to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, stress, and intonation as closely as possible. Today's lesson focuses on daily life English conversations at home. These are the conversations people use every day with family members, parents, children, brothers, sisters, husbands, wives, roommates, and relatives. As you listen, imagine yourself in each situation. Repeat after me. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Do not worry about mistakes. The goal is progress, not perfection. Let's begin. Imagine it is early morning. The sun is rising. A new day is beginning. You wake up and start your morning routine. Repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept very well. Yes, I slept very well. What time is it? What time is it? It's 6:30. It's 6:30. Time to get up. Time to get up. I don't want to get up yet. I don't want to get up yet. Just 5 more minutes. Just 5 more minutes. You said that 10 minutes ago. You said that 10 minutes ago. Come on. Come on. You'll be late. You'll be late. I'm getting up now. I'm getting up now. Now imagine you are in the kitchen. Breakfast is being prepared. Repeat after me. What's for breakfast? What's for breakfast? I'm making eggs and toast. I'm making eggs and toast. That sounds delicious. That sounds delicious. Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Yes, please. Yes, please. No sugar for me. No sugar for me. Could you pass the butter? Could you pass the butter? Here you go. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. The breakfast smells wonderful. The breakfast smells wonderful. Let's eat together. Let's eat together. Now the family is sitting at the table. Repeat after me. How is everyone today? How is everyone today? I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm a little tired. I'm a little tired. Did you stay up late? Did you stay up late? Yes, I was watching a movie. Yes, I was watching a movie. You should sleep earlier. You should sleep earlier. You're right. You're right. I'll try tonight. I'll try tonight. What are your plans today? What are your plans today? I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. Good luck. Good luck. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now breakfast is over. Repeat after me. Can you help me clean the table? Can you help me clean the table? Of course. Of course. I'll wash the dishes. I'll wash the dishes. I'll dry them. I'll dry them. Let's finish quickly. Let's finish quickly. Teamwork makes everything easier. Teamwork makes everything easier. I agree. I agree. The kitchen looks clean now. The kitchen looks clean now. Great job, everyone. Great job, everyone. Now it's time to get ready for work or school. Repeat after me. Have you seen my keys? Have you seen my keys? I think they're on the table. No, they're not there. No, they're not there. Check your bag. Check your bag. You're right. You're right. I found them. I found them. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Try calling it. Try calling it. Good idea. Good idea. There it is. There it is. I always lose things. I always lose things. Now you're about to leave the house. Repeat after me. I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. Have a great day. Have a great day. You too. You too. Drive safely. Drive safely. Take care. Take care. See you later. See you later. See you this evening. See you this evening. Bye. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Now imagine it is afternoon. You come back home. Repeat after me. I'm home. Welcome back. Welcome back. How was your day? How was your day? It was pretty good. It was pretty good. I was very busy. I was very busy. Did everything go well? Did everything go smoothly? That's good to hear. That's good to hear. I'm glad you're home. I'm glad you're home. Now you're relaxing in the living room. Repeat after me. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm watching television. I'm watching television. What are you watching? What are you watching? A documentary. A documentary. Is it interesting? Is it interesting? Very interesting. Very interesting. Can I watch with you? Can I watch with you? Of course. Of course. Have a seat. Have a seat. Thank you. Thank you. Now someone needs help. Repeat after me. Can you help me? Sure. What do you need? I can't find an important document. Let's look for it together. That's very kind of you. No problem. Did you check your desk? Yes, I did. Wait a minute. I found it. That's a relief. Now it is evening. Dinner time. Repeat after me. Dinner is ready. I'm coming. What are we having tonight? We're having chicken and rice. It smells amazing. Let's eat. Let's eat. This is delicious. Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it. Can I have some more? Of course. Of course. Help yourself. Help yourself. Now the family is talking during dinner. Repeat after me. Tell me about your day. I learned something new today. What did you learn? I learned how to solve a difficult problem. That's wonderful. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Thank you. I worked hard. I worked hard. Keep it up. I will. I will. Now let's practice longer conversations. Repeat after me. Hello. How was your day? It was great. I finished all my work early. That's wonderful. What are you planning to do now? I think I'll relax for a while. You deserve it. You've been working hard lately. Thank you. I appreciate that. Would you like some tea? Yes, I'd love some tea. I'll make a fresh cup for you. That's very thoughtful. You're welcome. Another conversation. Repeat after me. Can you help me with something? Sure. What do you need? I'm trying to improve my English. That's great. How can I help? Can you practice speaking with me? Of course. I'd be happy to help. Thank you. Let's start right now. Good idea. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. Now let's focus on confidence. Repeat after me. I can improve my English. I can improve my English. Every day I get better. Every day I get better. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I can speak confidently. I can speak confidently. I will never give up. I will never give up. My future is bright. My future is bright. Now imagine a family movie night. Repeat after me. What movie should we watch? What movie should we watch? How about a comedy? That sounds fun. Let's make some popcorn. Great idea. Great idea. The movie is starting. The movie is starting. Everyone is ready. Everyone is ready. Let's enjoy it. Let's enjoy it. Now bedtime. Repeat after me. It's getting late. I think I'll go to bed. I think I'll go to bed. Good night. Good night. Sleep well.
Sleep well. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Thank you. Thank you. Good night.